Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss data standardization in IIoT with the unified namespace. And a good place to start when talking about data standardization is to look at how traditionally data has been handled for generating analytics. So typically, manufacturers would collect all these discrete tags or discrete data points from the shop floor and persist that information in a backend system or in the cloud. And then if a plant manager happens to have a problem that requires data to solve it or insight into data to solve it, he will then take that information to a data scientist or the data science team, and then the data science team will then go through all this data lake or data warehouse where all of this raw data is stored, and then try to create context out of the data to be able to solve that specific problem for the plant manager. And as you can see, this typically is a very long process. Sometimes it takes 24 hours to get the insights. Sometimes it may take weeks to get the insights, and you've got this data science team that is really acting as a bottleneck. So as far as data standardization is concerned, the unified namespace adopts this edge-driven architecture where you've got the subject matter experts on the shop floor who are responsible for contextualizing the data in line with this data standardization that has been created by the organizations. This really allows the subject matter experts to be able to identify the source systems where they need to get data to contextualize it in a way that it will be able to solve their specific problems and share that standardized data with the rest of the organization. Now, this streamlines data engineering as it allows the data transformation, the normalization of the data, and the ensuring of quality of the data to be performed at the edge along with the standards that have been set by the organization and then shared with the rest of the enterprise. And more importantly, the unified namespace also standardizes the information model, the data structure, by creating this semantic hierarchical representation of data that is understood and standardized across the entire enterprise, which makes it easy for information to be found by anyone who's looking for that information as long as it follows the standards that has been set by the organization. And the ultimate outcome really is the acceleration of advanced data analytics and the acceleration of time to market for ideas and use cases that manufacturers want to implement. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your connections, and please do watch out for our YouTube channel for more videos on the unified namespace.